Need help calculating VAT or understanding VAT rules worldwide? VAT regulations vary across countries, and manual calculations can lead to costly errors. Introducing our free VAT Calculator and Global VAT Guide, your all-in-one solution for accurate calculations and reliable VAT information. Simply enter your amount, choose the VAT rate, and get instant, precise results. The tool handles complex rates effortlessly, ensuring accuracy for every transaction. You get a full breakdown including VAT amount, net value, and total price instantly. Explore comprehensive VAT guides for multiple countries, including the latest rates and rules. Our guides provide practical insights to help you stay compliant wherever you do business. Stay ahead of changes and manage your international taxes with total confidence. It's completely free, easy to use, and provides accurate, real-time VAT calculations and country-specific guidance. It's accessible on desktop and mobile with no registration required to start. Save time and reduce errors in your financial reporting. Make informed financial decisions for your business with total confidence. Start using the free VAT Calculator and explore global VAT guides today. Calculate smarter, stay compliant, and grow your business. Start now.